My name is Hirani, and I'm doing my graduation assignment at Hyster-Yale Group. Hyster-Yale Group work all around the world supplying material handling equipment and offering a low total cost of ownership for customers. Hyster-Yale Group wanted me to investigate how to create a tool for them to use for their new product that's coming to the market, the terminal tractor, and also what needs to be done to make the electric version and the fuel cell version viable solution compared to the diesel product. I did this by making the tool with 76% less input fields compared to the previous tools that we're using within the company. So this allowed for the process of the tool to speed up, and also allowed the salespeople to use the tool with less complex input fields. And also the same tool can have different levels within the tool that allow more input fields to be opened up. So for example, the salespeople can have less input fields with assumptions made, and the engineers at a later stage can refine the tool for the customer's application. And it allowed everything to be in one tool, which also improved the quality management of the tool itself. Another thing I did do was research into the KPIs of the competitors and to see how our product also compares to them and what we need to do to make our product a benchmark compared to the competitors in the field. So whether this be global competitors such as Gosin, Kalmar, Ottawa, or any of the other smaller companies around the world, but also looking at how they bring their product to the market and what we can do to make our product stand out, and using their assumptions and using the company's assumptions to make the TCO tool, and looking at how they have faced challenges and how we can also face the same challenges to be able to bring the product with the lowest total cost of ownership. The final result was that the diesel and the fuel cell and electric version are all competitive, and it can go in any direction in the future. However, depending on where you are in the world, the electric could be the best option, or the fuel cell could be the best option. And so having the technology, which ideally based on research funded by Roland Berger and the government, they predict that by 2027 the fuel cell will have a higher market share than the electric vehicles in the material handling equipment. We found similar studies with how the cost of hydrogen production is going down. Green hydrogen around the world is getting cheaper and cheaper every year. The final product, the tool, will be used as a living document. It will be constantly improved, and as more information comes into the company, they will constantly be updating it. And we can now see where the company and the product itself lacks in certain areas, whether it be maintenance or operational costs compared to the other KPIs of the competitors. And we know what we need to do to make it a better product and make it a lower total cost of ownership.